While fuel pump displays hit triple digits, the common explanation of global conflict doesn't account for the full scale of the economic pressure on your household. Beneath the headlines, the domestic data reveals a structural decline, a reality that often remains unaddressed in official political messaging and top-line figures. This checklist is designed to help you navigate the invisible pressure building within the economy, providing specific steps to protect your wealth and your business. Reliance on state intervention is no longer a viable strategy. Survival now requires moving past the rhetoric to confront the specific financial data. Checklist item 1. Evaluate whether you are using credit to bridge the gap left by stagnant real wages. This chart tracks net household savings, which have plummeted to a 50-year low, reaching just 5.3% of the national GDP. During that same period, credit card debt has doubled, surging from 1.32 lakh crore to 3 lakh crore in just 4 years. Checklist item 2. Stop measuring your investment performance solely in rupees. You must track your portfolio value against the US dollar. This comparison shows why the domestic view is misleading. While the Nifty appears to trend upward in rupees, the chart on the right shows the net zero return for investors measuring in dollars since late 2021. Institutional investors are responding to this currency erosion by pulling roughly 1.8 lakh crore from the market this year. Perceived wealth growth often vanishes when adjusted for inflation and currency devaluation, leaving many households deeper in debt than they realize. Checklist item 3. Avoid the mistake of canceling your long-term mutual fund contributions during a market downturn. This visualization shows the current imbalance in retail sentiment. For the first time, SIP closures have overtaken new openings as retail investors exit the market at the moment they should be holding. Checklist item 4. Reevaluate your career trajectory. You cannot rely on the projected growth of the domestic manufacturing sector to provide high-yield employment. Manufacturing as a portion of the GDP has actually decreased to under 15.9%, leaving nearly half the workforce in low-productivity agriculture. As domestic industrial roles disappear, your income security depends on your ability to upskill in global technology and AI sectors. Checklist item 5. Business owners must automate their internal operations to survive the incoming pressure on their profit margins. Long-term survival requires maintaining your investments while aggressively modernizing your personal skills and business efficiency. External factors like supply chain disruptions in the Strait of Hormuz would continue to be cited as the primary drivers of our economic hardship. You must look past the cultural and political distractions that occupy the daily news cycle. Demand transparency in national economic reporting, while you focus exclusively on the specific health of your own balance sheet. When official narratives are in flux, a rigorous commitment to the data is the primary mechanism for maintaining your solvency.